Start. Okay, in this chapter, parallel lines and angles, the chapter name is Lines and Angles. In basically, this is for class 9, and some of these will be there again in class 10 also. So, this is uh, relevant for both the classes. Chapter क्या है? Chapter 7. Chapter Lines and this is for class 9 and 10. Okay, this is chapter 6 in class 9 book, but again it is relevant for class 10 also. So basically, when we talk about parallel lines, let's say L parallel to M, अगर ये दिया हुआ है L parallel to ये दो जो स्लैश जिसको बोलते हैं, ठीक है, कंप्यूटिंग लैंग्वेज में अगर ये दो लाइंस हैं इनको बोलते हैं पैरेलल, L पैरेलल टू M. तो कैसे ड्राइंग कैसे होगी? लाइन L इज पैरेलल टू लाइन M. दिस द रिप्रेजेंटेशन. ओके, एंड देयर इज अ ट्रांसवर्सल आल्सो. नाउ ट्रांसवर्सल क्या है? कोई भी एक लाइन जो दो पैरेलल लाइंस को डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट पे कट करे, उस लाइन को हम लोग बोलेंगे ट्रांसवर्सल. सो दिस लाइन, लेट्स से दिस लाइन T is the transversal. Okay, I hope till here things are okay. Now let's see, अगर दो parallel lines होती हैं तो what type of angles do we get? So first type of angle what we are going to get here is corresponding angles. अब corresponding angles क्या है? When you have line L and line M parallel, if these two are parallel lines, this is the symbol of parallel lines, ऐसे नहीं देखे एंड पे भी दे सकते हैं, and there is a transversal. Now these two angles are called corresponding angles. Okay, at the same time these two angles are also corresponding angles. These two angles are also called corresponding angles, and these two angles are corresponding to each other. Now let's see what is the relationship. If I'm writing this angle as angle 1, this is angle 2, this one is angle 3, this third one, this one, and 4, and this is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, those who are not understanding, I'm drawing again so that you get the clear picture. मान लो ये एंगल है 1, इस एंगल का नाम है 2, इस वाले का है 3, and this angle is 4. Again, this angle is 5, this one is 6, this one is 7, this one is 8. And कौन से corresponding angle होंगे? 1 with 5, and corresponding angles are always equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Means if this is 30 degree, so this angle 5 also will be 30 degree. This is the relationship. Now let's see what are the other corresponding angles. So we'll start with angle 1, okay, is equals to angle 5 because they are corresponding angles. Another pair will be 2 and 6. Angle 2 is equals to angle 6. Another pair 3 with 7. Angle 3 with angle 7. Angle 4 with angle 8. Angle 4 is equals to angle 8. All these are corresponding angles and they are equal. Okay, this is the first one. Now the third one, or the second one, we have alternative interior angles. Interior angles, okay fine, let's do interior angles first. Interior angles, in this case again let's take, and remember interior angles are supplementary. मतलब क्या होता है supplementary का? When they are being added, okay, they will always be equivalent to 180 degree. The sum of two angles is 180 degree, hence they are called supplementary angles, and interior angles are supplementary angles. So line L parallel to line M and transversal T is given to you. In this case, this angle and this angle, okay, both are called interior angles. Since I was writing angle 4 for this one and this one 5, I'll write again 4 and 5. So in this case, angle 4 plus angle 5 will be equals to 180 degree. That means interior angles are supplementary angles. यहाँ पे एक और pair है interior angles का. So if I'm writing as this as 3, 4, okay, 5, this will be 6. Okay, so angle 3 plus angle 6 will be equals to 180 degree. Okay, the interior angles. So when it comes to interior angles, 4 and 5 makes a pair of interior angles. 3 with 6 makes a pair with, okay, they make a pair, okay, and they both will be equivalent to 180 degree when they're being added. Okay, so we got interior angles. Now the third one is alternative interior angles. Alternative interior angles. And remember, alternative interior angles are equal. Alternative interior angles are equal. Now let me show you. Okay, now again line L parallels to line M and T is a transversal. In this case, याद रखना जहाँ पे Z बन रहा है, Z या फिर N, Z या फिर N, ये जो एंगल्स होंगे, okay, these two angles are alternative interior angles, okay, and they are equal. They are equal. So 3 will make a pair with angle number 5, okay, and same way this was angle 4. 4 will make the pair with angle 6. Is it okay? That means angle 3 will be equivalent to angle 5. Angle 4 will be equals to angle 6. Okay, whatever the measure is there for angle 3, that will be the same measure for angle 5. Alternative interior angles are equal. So we got 3 different types of angles with the parallel lines and transversal. Let's see the fourth one. Postcard mein start kar de. Okay, so we got corresponding angles, interior angles, alternative interior angles, and the fourth one is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, and this is the way to write angles. Okay, अगर आप ये spelling में लिख रहे हो short form में, we can draw an angle and give to the power s. ठीक है, this is the way to write angles. Now vertically opposite angles क्या है? If line L is parallel or not doesn't matter. यहाँ पे the only property with the with vertically opposite angle, parallel lines चाहिए ही नहीं, बस एक line चाहिए and दूसरी line चाहिए जो उसको काटे. ठीक है? So they both intersecting at this point, let's say point O. Clear? In this case, you're getting two opposite angles and these are equal and they are called vertically opposite angles. Let's say this was angle 1, so it will be equivalent to angle 3. Hence, we got another property, angle 1 is equals to angle 3 through vertically opposite angles property. So similarly, we'll have angle 2 and angle 4 equivalent. So angle 2 is equals to angle 4. These are vertically opposite angles and they are equal. ठीक है? जरूरत नहीं है कि दूसरी line we have to bring in only and to understand, but vertically opposite angles will always be with two lines. ठीक है? याद रखना, ये दोनों vertically opposite angle होते हैं, ये दोनों vertically opposite angle कहीं पे भी. so it will be there for any line. So these two angles, इसका कोई मतलब ही नहीं अगर parallel हो, doesn't matter, है नहीं है, but these two lines must cut each other and they will form vertically opposite angles always, and these angles are always equivalent, this one and this one, they will always be equal. Hence you just have to remember these lines and angles chapter mein, corresponding angles, interior angles, alternative interior angles, and vertically opposite angles. And what is a transversal? Remember the meaning and definition, because this is very very important for you. And how to draw and how to represent parallel lines, you'll write L parallel to M this way. And how to show the drawing, kaise drawing hogi, this is the way. Okay, done.